Hi, this is the Pixel Fold and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the Settings app and then tap to the Sound and Vibration. Here you'll see the media coloring, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panel. We could activate or turn off the Don't Disturb mode to change the device ringtone, to activate the live caption, spatial audio, to activate or turn off the option to identify songs playing nearby, to show the media player, media recommendations, media player on lock screen, and to pin it. We could just turn on or turn off these options by click on the switchers. Let's go back. We could activate the haptics and vibrations, to change notification and alarm sounds, to use clear calling option, and to activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, and to show always icon in vibration mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.